In the frigid heart of Eastern Europe, the year 1991 marked a turning point for the Soviet Union, a nation that had once stretched from the Baltic Sea to the Pacific Ocean. Born from the ashes of the Russian Revolution, the Soviet Union had grown to become a global superpower, its influence reaching every corner of the world. Yet, beneath its mighty facade, the seeds of its downfall had been sown. The year began with a whirlwind of change. The Soviet leadership was in disarray, with the aging President Mikhail Gorbachev struggling to maintain control over the vast and disparate nation. Gorbachev, who had come to power in 1985, had introduced two key policies, Perestroika and Glasnost, aimed at reforming the Soviet system and opening up the society. However, these reforms had unleashed forces that Gorbachev could not control. As political dissent grew, regional leaders began to demand more autonomy for their republics. In the Baltic states, Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia, independence movements gained momentum, demanding the end of Soviet rule. In August, the situation reached a breaking point when the Soviet army attempted to quell a popular uprising in Lithuania. The world watched in horror as tanks rolled into the streets of Vilnius, only to be met with an unexpected resistance. The Soviet army, demoralized and weakened by years of economic stagnation, was unable to suppress the rebellion. The failure in Lithuania had a domino effect. Across the Soviet Union, republics began to declare their independence. In Moscow, Gorbachev was forced to recognize the independence of the Baltic states, a decision that dealt a severe blow to the Soviet Union's integrity. In December, the Soviet Union's fate was sealed. The leaders of the Russian Republic, led by Boris Yeltsin, convened in the Russian White House and declared the sovereignty of the Russian Federation. Gorbachev, weakened and isolated, could do nothing but watch as the Soviet Union, the mighty superpower he had once led, crumbled before his eyes. The dissolution of the Soviet Union was a complex and dramatic event, marked by political intrigue, popular uprisings, and a desperate struggle for power. It was a moment that marked the end of an era and the beginning of a new one. The Soviet Union, a nation forged in revolution, disintegrated in a whirlwind of change, leaving behind a legacy that continues to shape the world today.